3 3.4-ounce tubes of extra fresh Sensodyne Pronamel intensive enamel repair toothpaste for sensitive teeth, to reharden and strengthen enamel. Toothpaste for enamel repair that inhibits demineralization, repairs microdamage and rebuilds enamel strength. Providing lasting relief, this sensitive enamel toothpaste 3-pack protects you against pain triggers. Strong enamel toothpaste for tooth enamel repair that prevents cavities and acid erosion from exposure to acidic foods and drinks. Sensitivity toothpaste with fluoride to protect you against cavities. Extra fresh toothpaste that leaves your teeth clean and freshens your breath. Brush for 2 minutes with this sensitive toothpaste, twice daily. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Toothpaste for sensitive teeth is Pronamel's most advanced enamel care formulation, clinically proven to actively reharden and strengthen enamel to protect teeth from acid erosion. This enamel repairing toothpaste helps minerals penetrate deep into the enamel surface to repair microdamage, then rebuild and reharden enamel for strong, healthy teeth. Sensodyne Pronamel Acid Erosion Toothpaste is made with potassium nitrate and sodium fluoride, protecting you against cavities and damage caused by exposure to everyday acidic foods or stomach acid. Brushing twice a day with this extra fresh toothpaste 3-pack protects your teeth from pain triggers, providing ongoing sensitivity protection and relief, with a refreshing taste for fresh breath. Build a stronger foundation with Pronamel, so your teeth can look and feel your best. Top reviews from the United States. Effective toothpaste. I need a toothpaste that will help protect my enamel and reduce the sensitivity of my teeth. I've been using this toothpaste for over a year now. I like the results so far.